JamieVardy, From Rejection to Royalty. The story of a Premier League icon. VO. In a world where talent is everything, what happens when you're told you're not good enough? This isn't just a football story, it's a human story of grit, rejection, and the unlikeliest rise in Premier League history. This is the full story of JamieVardy. Quick montage of goals, crowds, factory work, newspaper clippings. Chapter 1, The Beginning. VO, born in Sheffield, England, 1987, JamieVardy was like many other kids, obsessed with football but invisible to the system. Childhood neighborhood, kids playing in the street. He joined Sheffield Wednesday's Youth Academy but at 16 was released. Reason? Too small. Not strong enough. JamieVardy. It crushed me. But it also lit a fire. No scouts came, no agents called. But Jamie wasn't done yet. He joined Stocksbridge Park Steel's a non-league club far from the spotlight. His salary? Around £30 a game. By day, he worked long hours in a carbon fiber factory. By night, football. Harsh factory conditions, working in silence, clock ticking.